In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an Excel sheet to Google Drive and make it editable in under 5 minutes. Whether you're moving work files, sharing data with your team, or simply backing up a spreadsheet, this quick guide will make the process a breeze. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, you'll notice a grid icon at the top right corner of the page, which is the Google Apps menu. Click on this icon to reveal a variety of Google services. From this menu, select Google Drive. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so at this point. Now that you're in Google Drive, take a look at the upper left portion of the screen. You'll see a colorful plus New button. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Choose File Upload from this menu. This action will open up a File Explorer window that allows you to navigate through your computer's files. Next, browse your computer for the Excel sheet you wish to upload. Once you've located your file, click on it, and then hit the Open button. This will start the uploading process, and depending on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection, it might take a few moments. But don't worry. Google Drive will let you know once the file is successfully uploaded. Once the upload is complete, find the file in your Google Drive. A quick tip here. Google Drive usually places the most recently uploaded files right at the top for easy access. Right-click on your Excel file and a context menu will appear. From this menu, hover over the Open With option, which will reveal another submenu. Here, you want to select Google Sheets. By choosing Google Sheets, your Excel document will open up in a new tab within the Google Sheets environment. This is where the magic happens. Google Sheets gives you the ability to edit your file directly, just like you would in Excel. But the advantage here is that you can do it collaboratively. You can share the file with others, who, with the right permissions, can view or edit the document in real time alongside you. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you've uploaded an Excel sheet to Google Drive and made it editable using Google Sheets. Remember, this method not only allows you to access your spreadsheets from anywhere with an internet connection, but it also provides powerful real-time collaboration features that can greatly enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!